Where are we going, Mason?
Sit through those commercials.
Now,
We're going to the what?
a lot of television enjoys.
Thank you, Papa Nunu, for getting us a car wash.
Large.
Can you say that?
Plasma.
They were in a car wash.
That's right.
Well, no, you're not going to get the same resolution.
Here we are,
Right
going
now,
to the car wash.
on our TV.
No cars, but we are
Electronics
doing
company LG just announced they're introducing a television with Netflix streaming.
First we have to go pay.
But the thing about online
For morning edition tomorrow
car wash.
on 89.9 WJCTF. New box is dedicated to
Car wash. Booming and wine. And a car wash.
today's growing businesses.
Where is the car wash?
Back there, a car wash.
There's the car wash. We've got a lineup.
WJCT News. It's currently 79 degrees under mostly sunny.
Dad, don't open the door, Dad.
Why?
Dad.
Line up of cars for the car wash.
Dad, close the door.
Why?
Because. Close it, Dad.
Don't worry, I'll close it before we go in the car wash.
Please.
We have a long... You see the soap?
Yeah. Doing all over the car. Up finish.
Oh,
Doing the back side, Dad.
what are those called?
Finish.
Spinners?
Up they did the back side. Yeah. Look, it's finish. Finish. Doing all the car.
Going over the car.
Oh, what's mine? I don't see. When that car is doing the door and the car wash. The other spinner, Dad.
The what?
The other spinner.
The top spinner?
The top
Is
spinner.
this top spinner going?
Look, Dad.
I see it.
Up, 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 up. It's almost all done, Dad.
And then what?
The blowers,
No, first it has to
rinse.
rinse. That's right.
And then, what? The blowers.
And then the blowers, and then it's our turn.
Oh, it's doing the backside, Dad. Doing the backside.
Tell Nunu and Papa you're so excited for the car wash.
Okay.
Tell them they're watching in the camera. Tell them. Look in the camera and tell them how excited you are.
I'm so excited. How can they do that?
Because we're going to send this to them. How do the spinners go? Show me.
Like that, Dad.
That's right.
Dad. Don't open the window, Dad.
What's our code? Let's see. 92715.
What's wrong? Dad, close the window.
That guy better move faster. He's never going to get his whole car dry by the time it stops.
Up, all done. It's next.
Wow, he's not even going to use the blowers. Okay, it's our turn.
Okay, win.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah. What's it doing, Dad?
What's it doing?
Soap. And soap. Hi. What happened, Dad?
Nothing. Now what?
Now what? The soap, Dad?
Here comes the...
Soap. Here comes the soap, Dad.
Where's the soap?
Right there. Oh, yeah. Up, finish.
There goes the...
Finish. Now what, Dad?
Now what's going to come? I know what. The
Water spinner.
other spinner.
It's not spinner. It's hard.
Here it comes.
Look.
Where is it?
Ah! 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 Eh! 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 Ah! Now what?
I don't know. Now what?
Up in it. They're coming back. Dad, what's that noise I hear? Dad, what's
That's
that?
the what?